What's the meaning of beaded? Beaded. Beaded.
Beaded. Beaded. The term beaded refers to an object or surface that is covered with a series of small, rounded protrusions or decorative ornaments resembling beads. The appearance of beads can be seen in a variety of contexts, from jewelry and clothing to furniture and architectural embellishments. The process of adding beads to these items is often done by hand, making them unique and valuable. Beading has a long history as a form of artistic expression and cultural tradition, with many indigenous cultures incorporating beadwork into their crafts and ceremonial dress. In recent years, beading has also become a popular hobby and DIY activity for people of all ages and backgrounds.